walking for the last 230 days. मैं 230 दिन से चल रही हूँ. मैंने कन्याकुमारी से लेकर श्रीनगर कश्मीर तक का पूरा डिस्टेंस कवर किया है, 3,800 किलोमीटर्स का. And I did this with one mission, which is to make India a safer country for women. Reclaim the space which is in public for women. मैं पिछले 5 साल से हांगकांग में थी और एक कॉर्पोरेट जॉब में काम करती थी, and from there I have come back and been doing this work. So today we have collaborated with Make My City Safe, Make Your City Safe campaign, because it's a campaign which again talks about the same thing, and which is by Volvo, and here we are with this. Okay, so as I was saying that we are trying to make India a safer country for women, and that is why we have strong voices supporting us, because they believe in the cause, and you have two individuals who as individuals have supported us. I have been telling Mr. Trump that there are people who I have met on the road. They have championed my cause because they believe that there is a possibility. We have stopped believing that there is a possibility that India will be a safer country. I hear my friends saying this time and again, that अच्छा हुआ तुम हांगकांग चली गई, वहीं रहो, वापस आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So these statements hurt me because I am an army officer's daughter, and मुझ में देशभक्ति है, and I am back here to prove that it is a possibility. My entire learning, which I shared with Ms. Sen earlier, is that Sushmita is that it's the violence of the minority and silence of the majority.
Yeah.
अगर आप चुप रह गए तो आपने भागीदारी दिखाई है. You're part of the system which is against and which perpetuates violence against women. So that is my learning from the road, and we are here to hear thoughts from Sushmita about girl child safety.
Were you guys outside? थे आप थे ना? तो मैं बहुत कुछ बोल चुकी हूँ. मैं चाहूँगी कि आप पूछें हमसे कि हम किस तरह से ये मैसेज और ये इनिशिएटिव ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचा सकें. What is the best way according to you as members of the media? Ask us that so that we can contribute to that. On my end, it is an absolute honor and a privilege to be in the company of an extraordinary young woman. Thank you to Volvo for bringing her awareness and her story to us. As ignorant as we can all be at some point, I have to take credit for this. I didn't know much about her, and that's shocking because she's doing such incredible stuff along the way, and it never did reach a lot of us. So thank you, Mr. Trump, for making this happen. You should do more initiatives like this in India. Sweden's loss is India's gain. We definitely are very charged to have this come out and be shared with people. Today there were a lot of young people there. और हमारे देश में इतनी young population है, इतनी अलग generation है. जब मैं छोटी थी तो मेरे पिताजी ने 6:30-7 बजे का deadline रखते थे कि घर उसके बाद allowed नहीं है to be outside the house. And the primary reason back in the day was अच्छी घर की लड़कियाँ इस वक्त के बाद बाहर नहीं रहती. It wasn't safety. कुछ हो जाएगा बच्चे को. Now, luckily, over the years, वो mentality बदली है कि अच्छे घर की लड़कियाँ काम करती हैं, बाहर जाती हैं, बाहर रहती हैं. But उसकी जगह अब with technology, and that's the minus side of it. इतना information आ गया है, मगर उस information को कैसे समझें, उसको कैसे adapt करें, वो नहीं आता. तो उसमें अब टेक्नोलॉजी का गलत फ़ायदा उठाया जा रहा है, सही नहीं.